Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this cute little bell ornament. So let's get started. I'm working with worsted weight yarn and a 4.5mm crochet hook. Start with chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Slip stitch to join and form a ring. Chain 1. Make 10 single crochet in the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now there's your chain 1. Slip stitch to join in the top of the first single crochet. Chain 1 and turn. Single crochet in that same stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch. 1, 2. 1 single crochet in the next stitch, 2 single crochet in the next stitch. You're going to repeat that all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join in the top of the first single crochet. Chain 1 and turn. Make 1 single crochet in each stitch around. So 1 single crochet in each stitch all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, chain 1 and turn, single crochet in that very first stitch and in each stitch around. And we're going to do that for 5 rows. Okay, I've gone ahead and I've worked 5 rows. If you'd like a longer bell, simply work more rows. And now I'm going to increase for the bottom of the bell, and I'm going to chain 2 and turn, and I'm going to make another double crochet in that same stitch, and I'm going to make 2 double crochet in each stitch all the way around. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, so 2 double crochet all the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. At the end of the row, slip stitch to join. And there's your finished bell. And if you'd like to stiffen it, you could do that with some diluted white glue. Weave this yarn end into the finished work. And take this yarn end from the top and just bring it right across like that. And I put some beads on one of these ornament hangers, and now I can attach the hanger to that loop and I'll be able to hang my bell. Now you can use them plain like this, or you could put a ribbon on them, but I have these stick-on rhinestones and I'm going to place those all the way around. And there you have a cute little Christmas bell ornament. Like this video, please click like, and thanks for watching. Bye for now.